Hey guys, welcome back to Rocking Wishes. So, today I thought of creating another DIY. I had a few glass bottles which I didn't wanted to throw, so created DIY flower vase out of it. So, let's just get started. First of all, I thought of taking some inspiration from Pinterest as there are various glass bottle decorating ideas on Pinterest. You can also just check out there. With the very first bottle, I painted it with acrylic colors. I'm using two shades here, using a lighter shade as a base. Give 2 coats of paint on the bottle so that there is no translucent effect on the bottle. After that, I used dark purple shade to give a nice effect to the bottle. You can use the colors of your choice just the way you want. Also, I'm making it as a flower vase so you can color coordinate with the flowers you will be using. Just painting it the way you want. This DIY is very freely and you can just paint your thoughts to it. After painting it and setting it for dry, I'm using these heart-shaped stick-on tapes to the flower vase to give a nice finishing effect to the flower vase. You can find these stick-on tapes in any stationery store. And finally place the artificial pink colored flowers into the vase, and this is how it looks. Loving the way how it turned out to be. For the second bottle, I painted it white in color. Again, 2 fuller coats of paint. I'm thinking to make it as a side table, corner table show, and as a lamp I'll be using it. After painting it and setting it for dry, I drew a rough sketch using a pencil of a tree and then painted it black in color. It is good to draw the rough sketch as you won't be messing up with the actual paint. finally I have put some fairy lights into it, and I've used it as a side table decor. For the third bottle, painting it blue in color, dark blue as a base. Here I'm using a darker shade as the base and lighter shade as a transition color. Again, just painting it with the free hand without much thinking. Mixing the two shades nicely and giving a texture effect with the brush itself. After that, I used a silver glitter tubes which you can find in any stationery store, and made this pattern over the bottle. You can make the pattern of your choice, no hard and fast rule in it. And then decorated it with artificial flowers again, and this is how the flower base is looking. For the fourth bottle and the final bottle, thought of creating a sunset effect, so painted it orange in color. Again, giving a darker color as the base, giving nice fuller paint coats on the bottle. And using a lighter golden yellowish color over the orange paint. You must have noticed that on all the four bottles I have used flat brush, as flat brush gives a nice effect to the bottle. With the brush itself you can give a nice texture paint. Then I'm using Fevicol and a jute thread, which you can buy from any stationery shop again, and just pasted that jute thread over the bottle. Just initiating with the Fevicol, and then you can just wrap it around the bottle. It will just stick on, or it will just stay there. Wrapping it just like this. And decorated it with nice red colored flowers, and it's a nice show piece or a decor thing, you can say. So guys, I hope you like this video, and I hope you like all the 4 bottles I have decorated. So do try this at home and let me know in the comments below how you find this video. Also like, share and subscribe to my channel for all the future upcoming content on rocking wishes. Bye bye.